Now that we've discussed the evolution of algorithms, let's talk about the rise of short-form content. If you spent any time on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you already know that short-form content has become the dominant format. The beauty of short-form content is that it's quick, engaging, and designed to grab attention within the first few seconds. But creating engaging short-form content isn't as easy as it looks. There's an art and a strategy to it. Let's start with the hook. In short-form content, the first 3 seconds are everything. In fact, studies show that you have just 3 seconds to capture a viewer's attention before they scroll away. Whether it's through a bold visual, an intriguing question, or an unexpected statement, your hook needs to be strong enough to stop people in their tracks. For example, starting with a question like, "Ever wonder why you're not growing on Instagram?" instantly grabs attention because it addresses a common pain point. At Social Awaken, we've worked with brands where we've seen content succeed or fail based on how strong the hook was. For instance, for a client in the fashion industry, we created a series of Instagram Reels where the first 2 seconds featured a model in a striking, unique outfit. Those initial visuals caught the audience's attention immediately, resulting in a much higher engagement rate. Short-form content demands clarity. You don't have time for long explanations or drawn-out narratives. Every second counts. Your message needs to be sharp and to the point. Are you showcasing a product? Make it clear. Are you telling a story? Get to the heart of it quickly. Think about how TikTok videos deliver a powerful message in under 15 seconds. That's the goal here. Visuals are another key element in short-form content. High-quality dynamic visuals help hold attention. Quick cuts, fast-paced transitions, and vibrant colors are essential. But it's not enough just to entertain. You need to guide your audience to take action. Every short-form video should end with a clear call to action. Whether it's asking them to follow, like, comment, or visit your website, you need to tell your audience what to do next. Here are some best practices that we found to be the most effective at Social Awaken. Number 1 is use trending sounds and music. Especially on TikTok, trending sounds and music play a huge role in the visibility of your content. The algorithm rewards content that aligns with trends. Number 2 is add captions or text overlays. TikTok-friendly subtitles are a must. A lot of people watch videos with the sound off, so adding captions ensures they still get the message. Number 3, leverage authenticity. Authentic, relatable content often performs better than overly polished videos. Users love raw, behind-the-scenes looks that feel genuine. Now let's look at some key takeaways. The first 3 seconds of your video are critical. Use a strong hook to grab attention. Next is keep your message clear and concise. You have limited time, so get to the point. Next, use quality visuals and end with a clear call to action to guide your audience. Now let's take a moment to reflect. Think about your most recent short-form video. Did you hook your audience in the first 3 seconds? Did you include a clear message and a call to action? Take a moment to jot down 3 ways you can improve the engagement of your next video.